Good morning, children. Welcome back to the next class. We have studied the time, chapter 12. 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. Half hour, 30 minutes. We have studied the minute hand, hour hand, longer hand, short hand. Longer hand is called minute hand. Short hand is called hour hand. Then we studied half past the hour. 9:30 is equal half past 9. Now let us start the next quarter past the hour. Quarter past the hour. Look at the clock. The minute hand of the clock is at 3. The minute hand of the clock is at 3. It has crossed quarter of the way around the clock. See, here to here. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Here is 15 minutes. The minute hand is at 3. It was quarter of the way around the clock. So, quarter stands for 15 minutes. The hour hand is ahead of 12. Now what is the time? So the time is quarter past. Study the spelling QUARTR. Quarter past 12. That means 12:15. 15 minutes past. 12:15. Quarter past 12. Look at the hands. You look carefully. Minute hand is at 3. So 15 minutes past 12. That is 12:15. Next one more look. Here top hand is at 3. Here 6. What is the time now? Quarter past 6. Quarter past 6. Spelling study. Quarter past 6. That means 6:15. 15 minutes past. 15 is stands for 3. Here look 3. This is 6:15 or quarter past 6. Quarter study. Now write the time shown by the clock in two different ways. Here look, quarter past 9, 9:15. Next 3 clock, all of you write the answer here. Quarter past 6, that means 6:15. Next quarter past 3, 3:15. Next quarter past 7, 7:15. Write down in your textbook page number 153. Now look at how many hours are there in one day. How many hours are there in one day? There are 24 hours in a day. Then one day, how many hours? 24 hours. Now what is AM and PM? Look carefully. There are 24 hours in a day. AM means time from 12 o'clock at night. At night, 12 o'clock means midnight. Midnight means when it is 12 o'clock at night, it is called midnight. AM start from time from 12 o'clock at midnight to 12 noon next day, that is AM. 12 o'clock at midnight. Night to 12 noon, next day. Next day. That is AM. AM. AM starts from 12 o'clock at midnight to 12 noon next day. Then when it is 12 o'clock during the day, it is noon. Noon is 12 o'clock during the day. 12 o'clock during the day, it is noon. Time after noon till the midnight is PM. PM, look, PM. Time after noon till the midnight is PM. PM. Time after noon till the midnight. That means രാത്രി 12 മണി വരെ. Time is called PM. AM is 12 midnight to next day 12 noon. Then I will give you some example. I go to bed at 10 AM or PM. Can you say? When we go to bed at 10, that is AM or PM. That is PM. I take my lunch at 2. That is lunch afternoon. That is 2 o'clock. Lunch is, we say, PM. I take my dinner at 9. Dinner we eat at night, so dinner also PM. I wake up at 6 o'clock. ഉണരുന്നത് എപ്പോഴാണ്? PM or AM. That is 6 AM. Then study this page also. AM and PM. How many hours are there in one day? 24 hours. Then look here, days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in a week? 7 days. Start from first day. You all look at the calendar and study. Start from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. See, the 7 days. Study and write and study Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All these days start with capital letter. Okay? Sunday start with S, Sunday, Sunday. Then see what comes next. What day comes next? Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What is the next day? Saturday. Here in the book it is given what day comes next. How many days you study? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What comes next? Friday. You all write this. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, next day, Wednesday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Next day is Monday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Then next Sunday. All of you write and fill this box, page number 156. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Okay, look here again. There are months in a year. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Each month either 30 or 31 days. Only February month has 28 or 29 days. First month is January. Study the spelling. January, first month. Which is the second month? February. February has 28 or 29 days. So, December, the last month is December. December, last month. First month is January. Last month is December. All the month you write in your textbook 158. These are the months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Say and write the days. Then in there, look at this, 31 days. Some months have 31 days. Some months have 30 days. You know which month have 30 days? 30 days as September, April, June and November. That is September. See, there are 4 months have 30 days. Write that, study the 4 months. 30 days are September, April, June and November. Look at September, April, June and November. These 4 months have 30 days. Rest of the month have 31 days. That are 7 months have 31 days. Except February alone. February has only 28 or 29 days. 29 days February has. The year is called a leap year. A leap year has A leap year has 366 days. You know why? February has one more day there. A leap year comes after 4 years. So other years February has 28 days. And a year or 1 year, you know, normal year, how many days? 365 days. A leap year there are one more day, 366 days. So a leap year how many days? 366 days. A normal year 365 days. So you study the name of the month, full and days. So you tell the names of the months that have 30 days. That I told you. September, April, June and November. The months have 31 days. What are the months you know? 31 months are, 7 months are there. That are January, March, July, August, October and December. The months have 31 days are January, March, May, July, August, October and December. 7 months have 31 days. 4 months have 30 days. Except February. February has 28 or 29 days. The 29 days February has a leap year. So you all study all the names of the month and days. Now all of you do the exercise, page number 155 to 160. Then study the days of the week and months. Write in your notebook and study 5 times. Then this portion for annual exam is chapter 8, 9, 10 and 12. All of you study these 4 lessons and prepare well. Okay.